Takaw nila. Wow, parang naliligo lang ako ng bread.
Hey, the other baby's still there. Hey, go, baby.
Ay, natatakot sila sa malaki eh.
Kaya nga.
Ito sila, oh. Yan.
Oh, there they go. The babies is going to their mother now.
Some bread not good anymore.
There's some guys still moving.
Parang galing niyang mag-keep ng babies niyo. Let's go all together. Swim against the current. Go, go, go.
Tignan mo mga sunod-sunod sila, oh.
O, diba? Ayun o. Pinoprotektahan niya yun na anak niya. Pag may nalapit. How many chicks?
Hey, 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 hey.
That baby.
Hey. No.
Ay!
Kinukuha nila yung pagkain eh.
Here you go. Here, I think this goose wants some. Here.